Hi everyone, so it's me again. I've actually been evaluating some properties today. I walked through a few and I'll upload the videos here in a little bit once I get it edited. They're actually both in Old Henderson, so if you know, you know. One is okay, the other one would need a little bit more work. I was actually in the process of, editing my video, and then the neighbor came over, so we chatted, and lo and behold, he's also wanting to maybe list his property or rent it out. So I told him, hey, I'm interested. I walked the property and all of that. So hopefully, cross our fingers, I'll be able to take you guys along one day, and I'm just documenting it, maybe putting it out there. It's a part of prospecting. So that's what happened today. I'll try to put some numbers up there too, if you guys were wondering how much money one can make. Stay tuned. Here is the neighborhood. As you can see, there's parking on this side, maybe 2 to 3, and 1 or 2 on the other side. Also 2 on the driveway. I'm actually going to the side, and if you guys will notice, there isn't a fence here, so there's easy access to the side yard, which I would recommend a fence over here. I would get rid of that shed on that left side, and nothing in the back, just clean it up. No irrigation, maybe trim the trees. That's what I would do there. So it's a small backyard, no pool, no spa, not much landscape, and I wouldn't worry so much about the backyard. So here in the front yard, so same thing, I would trim the trees, leave irrigation there, and I wouldn't, not much really, just trimming the trees, and that's it. I would leave the pavers. Here's the front door. Let's check it out. We're at one of the properties right now, and I want to show you the kitchen that they have. So check it out. It's very compact. It's off of the main door. The main door is actually this way. It's actually this way, so just a few feet. This is the kitchen that they have, and it's been on the market for over 153 days. So can you imagine? I wonder why, right? So for a retail buyer, obviously it's not really going to work well. It's not very ideal, so it's just going to be a rental property. Our strategy is rent by the room. So the kitchen has white appliances. There's also a washer dryer here. To some people that's very inconvenient, right? Like, where are we, in Europe, But I like that it's very compact and it's in a small space and they're not spread out. Like, there's not an island that's 10 foot and it's all over the place, right? Like, that's something that we want to avoid. Now, for the hardware, if you guys can see, hardware, very original. I would just change the hardware here, maybe paint it white or whatever. There is a countertop, butcher block, vinyl countertop. So, but it works. Look how original this is. It still has the cutting board from whenever it was popular. So it's interesting, but it's very nostalgic. Over here on this side, they have the dining area. This fan is trying to shut that off. Okay, so this would be considered just a common area. I wouldn't really put anything here. It's too small for it to be a room. But what I would focus on would be over here, which is, let me just turn you guys. Here's their game room. I would convert this into 2. Leave the paneling. There's already 2 egresses on each side. I would get rid of that furnace, that desk, paint the walls, and I'll do lighting for each side. There's already a private entrance here for this side. And, get rid of this door, and then there's like a French door. Patch that up, leave the popcorn ceiling. Actually, no, this is the only room that has popcorn ceiling, so I would scrape that. I would rework the lighting so that each side would have their own lighting, get rid of the pool table, and yeah, just split it in two and rent it for, I want to say, $750 to $800 each and every month. Now for this room, this is the family room, and I would just build a wall plush up against that wall all the way through, and then just put a door in the middle, and that would be one room. So from here, and then this one would be a hallway, 3 feet clearance at least, and so people can actually go around to the kitchen from this way or the other way by the door. This is one of the rooms that's existing. It has a doggy door. This has to be replaced. This door has to be replaced. The carpet has to be replaced. Now, if you notice, there's already plumbing here, right? There's a full bathroom here. Turn the light on. So I'll leave that alone. Nothing there. But over here, if you notice, there is a half, like a powder bathroom here off of the, I guess, main suite. But there's actually behind here is the utility closet off of the front door. So what I would do is I would actually maybe knock this out and then expand that to the walk-in shower, because the plumbing is already there. And if you notice, here's the front and here's this space that's not being utilized. So I bet you behind here is actually the bathroom. So this is the full bathroom I was telling you about, with the blue tub. Here. See how there seems to be some space there? And if we just break through that wall, if we just break through this wall, and then just convert that into a shower, and then we're good. Over here on this side, it is the actual room though. So what I would do is take that door and then make a wall this way. Make a wall this way so that it becomes a common bathroom. Because remember, the rule is four rooms to 1 bathroom. It has 3 existing, we're adding 3 more. So we're going to need 2 full bathrooms. So instead of keeping this as a master and then putting, I don't know, trying to reconfigure it, so the quickest or the most efficient and most economical way is to actually convert this into a full bathroom and make this into a hallway. So again, wall this off and then put like a door maybe over there so that they can access. And then this one becomes a full bathroom for, obviously, for everyone. And this one is it's a big enough room. It already has the second egress there. And the mirrors, I would just hang it up to make a closet. Cool. What do you guys think? That's what I would do. Let me know.